There once was a locksmith named Hank, who could cut all of the usual blanks. He had a Speedex and Blitz, and they did the tricks, and his customers always said thanks. Then his customer base started to grow. He thought he'd make all kinds of dough. Tibby and track keys and keys that looked wacky. How to cut them, he didn't know. So he called the folks at HPC, and he told them what he wanted to see. He checked out the facts on Quicksilver and Max, but more machine was his decree. So they showed him the Tiger Shark 2, and he liked all the things it could do. Search by blank or by code, cut keys like Medico, and he loved that it could engrave too. So his little business grew and grew, thanks to his Tiger Shark 2. Now there's no reason to stall. You should give us a call, 'cause this story could be about you.